Good afternoon, my dear students, and welcome to your maths class. Students, observe this picture carefully. You must have seen all of them before, but have you ever noticed the color, designs, and patterns on them? Yes, it makes them unique and beautiful. Just like these patterns in nature, we also have patterns of numbers, shapes, letters in maths. So today, let us learn this interesting topic, patterns, in our maths. Take a look at these things you see daily around you. You see the design that is repeated in a uniform manner or continuously in similar way in this picture. Shirt, bedsheet, sari, garland. Have you seen these things? Have you noticed anything similar in it? Yes. Similarly, you can see the curtain having the pattern repeated again in different colors. You have various shapes and figures that can be used to make patterns like this in the gate, the balcony grill or the window grill of your house, the floor tiles. Yes, children. If any number, figure, shapes, letters are repeated in a definite sequence, it is called a pattern. So children, in maths, let us see what is a pattern. A pattern is a series of sequence that repeats. Maths patterns are sequences that repeat based on a rule. Let us see what rules they are. Yes, there are two types of patterns. They are growing patterns and repeated patterns. Now, what are growing patterns? If some patterns and designs grow with straight lines and geometrical shapes, they are called growing patterns. Look at the first example, a yellow box, then the yellow box and two red boxes. Next is a yellow box, two red boxes and two green boxes. What do you observe over here? The number of boxes are increasing, making a pattern. Next, you have some triangles. Yes, one straight triangle, one inverted triangle, then you have two triangles facing upward and downward, then three. Similarly, the letter H that is formed with the help of boxes. You can see the number of boxes increasing. You have circles. The number of circles also increase as they form a pattern. So children, this is a growing pattern or increasing pattern. Now look at one more example. A card with two dots. Next card has three dots. The another has four, and it goes on increasing as 5, 6, 7 and so on. So this is also the example of a increasing or growing pattern. Now let us see the same with the numbers. Here we have number 1, number 3, number 5, number 7. What do we observe? Yes, what is the pattern over here? The number is increasing by 2. That is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7 and it will go on. Then you have multiples of 10. That is 10 ones are 10, 10 twos are 20, 10 threes are 30. It forms a sequence of numbers in a particular manner. So this is also a growing pattern. You have next number is 17, 19, 21. Yes, they are alternate numbers. One number is skipped. Here you have one more example, that is 2 plus 2 gives 4. So 2, next number is 4, next is 6. So as you add 2 to the number, you get the next number. So this is also a growing pattern of numbers. Now children, let us see next type of pattern, that is repeated patterns. If some patterns and designs repeat with straight lines and geometrical shapes, they are called repeated patterns. Now observe these examples. We have an orange, purple and green box. Next, again orange, purple and green. Again orange, purple and green. So the boxes are arranged in a particular manner, that is orange, purple and green, and you have 3 boxes each. So it is repeated again and again. There are no boxes increasing or the color pattern is changed. So this is called a repeated pattern. You can see the objects smiley, a moon, a star, again a smiley, a moon, a star. So after star will be smiley again, because we have 3 different types and these 3 types are again and again repeated. So this is a form of repeated patterns. Look at the shapes. You have a square, a circle and a triangle. Again it is repeated in the next one. So you can now understand what is a repeated pattern. Same goes with the numbers. You have 744. It is repeated again, 744. That is 744, repeated again and again without adding any number to it. The next one, 156. These 3 digits are repeated again, 156 again and again. This is a sequence of numbers that is repeated. Then you have 101, 102 and so on. You can repeat the numbers again and again. Here you have some letters. Yes, A, then you have B. After B again A is repeated. After A again you have B, and it goes on as A, B, A, B. So these are the types of patterns that we have in our maths. Now children, you can use this repeated patterns, or you can create your own patterns using figures, shapes, alphabets, numbers. You can see a tree, a flower, a tree, a flower. The figures are repeated. Then you have shapes, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So you can form your own pattern using these things in maths. Also you can see that the letter T is again repeated, but when it is repeated it is inverted or upside down. Similarly, number 2 that is used to make a pattern is reversed. So in this form you can make your patterns. So children, patterns are created when figures, shapes, objects, letters, etc. are arranged in a particular order and repeated over and over again. Students, now let us take our textbook page number 43. Patterns. Yes, note the pattern in the sequence of letters below. Here is a sequence of letters. Let us see what pattern it is. A, B, A, B. The letter A and letter B is repeated again and again. So what is the pattern? A, B, A, B. Next we have A, B. Again A, B. That means A is twice and B is only once, and it is repeated again and again in the similar manner. That is A, B. Now let us see the examples given to solve. Look at the patterns below. Which one is like AB, which one like AAB, and which one like ABC. So students, now let us take this one. We have a red box, yellow box, red box, yellow box. So if the red box is named as A, yellow box is named as B, so again we have red, so here it will be A. We have again yellow box, so B. So what is the pattern formed over here? A, B, A, B. So here you write the pattern formed is A, B pattern. The next one we have triangles. A green triangle, and a blue inverted triangle. So suppose if we name it as A, a green triangle, second is also a green triangle, so same A. And then you have a blue triangle, so we name it as B. So green is A, so you write here A. Again it is repeated, so A. And then you have blue triangle, that is B. So what pattern is formed over here? A, B, A, B. So what will you write over here? Yes, you will write A, B. Very good. Now see the next one. You have a flower, a leaf, a flower, a leaf. So we have only two things repeated again and again. So if flower is A and a leaf is B, so what pattern it is? A, B, A, B. So here you will write A, B pattern. Next you have flowers. One flower is like this with the leaves down. Another flower is inverted with the leaves on the top. So again we have this flower repeated over here in the third place. So we have A, B, isn't it? Only two things that are repeated again and again, just like these two letters repeated again and again. So it is the AB pattern given in the flowers. In the next one we have a green flower, a red flower and some pollens. So we have green, red and pollens. Green flower, red flower and pollens. So this is suppose A, this is B. Can we write A here or B here? No, this will be C because it is completely different than this both. So again we have A here, we have B and we have C. So what pattern is repeated? What pattern is formed over here? We have ABC, ABC because three different things are used in this pattern. So the pattern is ABC pattern. Similarly here, elephant, a camel and a giraffe. Similarly, elephant, camel and a giraffe. Three things are there which are repeated. So the three animals represent A, B and C. So here you have the pattern, that is A, B, C pattern. So students, I hope you have understood how to understand this pattern, how to form the pattern. Now look at this. We just now had the pictures already given and we just found out what pattern is used in it. Now let us see over here in the picture given below. Draw the picture which follows. That means we have to follow the pattern given over here. And to follow the pattern, first we have to find out what pattern it is. So here we have 1, 2, 3 same pictures that are taken 3 times and a hash, that is stars and hash. Again 3 stars, a hash. Again 3 stars and a hash. So what pattern will be repeated? After hash we have 3 stars repeated. So even here we will have 3 stars and after 3 stars we have a hash, that is 2 standing lines, 2 slipping lines crossing. Again the pattern will continue with the stars. So 3 stars and again the hash. So children, I hope you understood how to continue the same pattern. And to continue the same pattern, first we have to observe what pattern it has. Next one is 3 stars, 2 hash. 3 stars, 2 hash. So we are going to continue after hash. We have stars. And how many stars we have? 3 stars. And after 3 stars we have 2 hash. So we are going to write them down or draw them in the book. On page number 44 of your textbook, we have some patterns to complete. Students, let us spot the pattern and fill in the empty boxes. We have here arrows facing upward, then towards the right, downwards and towards left. Now, since we have already learned the directions in EVS, let us put names over here. It is north, east, facing downwards is south, and then you have west. So now let us continue to see the next arrow. Yes, the next arrow is pointing upward, that means to the north. The next one is to the right, that is to the east. So you can observe that these arrows are repeated again, the north, the east. So the next one will be the south. So you have the next arrow pointing downwards and you will have the next one towards your left, that is west. And now after west what we had? North again. So here again you have the arrow pointing upwards, then the east, that is to the right side. Okay, so it will go on. So you can spot the pattern first, observe the pattern and then you can complete it. This pattern of the leaf is just similar to this one. So you are going to do that on your own. Now let us go to the next one. Clocks are shown with timings. First one shows 1 o'clock, second one shows 2, next is 3, next is 4, next is 5. Yes, what did you observe over here? Yes, the timing is increasing. So this is a growing pattern. So after 5, you will have 6, you will have 7 in the next clock, and then you will have 8. Similarly, here you have the alphabets, that is A, then B, C, and you can observe that the letters are inverted, right? They are the reflections. So here A looks similar because the reflection of A will be same as it is, because it is in similar shape on both the sides. Now B you can make out, C you can make out. Similarly, you are going to write D. First you are going to write the correct D and then the reflection of the letter D. Next one, petals are shown in the circle. Now see here, in the first circle 3 petals, 1, 2 and 3. The next one we have 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another one we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What did you observe? Again the petals are increasing. So this is also the increasing pattern or growing pattern. So you are going to draw the petals as they have given you mark for your help. Okay, so here next will be 6, 7 and 8. Now same when with numbers. Now let us see the pattern in numbers. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 2. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. What is this? Yes, same number is multiplied and in the next one is the next number. So here a number is multiplied by itself and then you have the next number. So 1, 2, 3. Now next number will be 4. So we multiply 4 by itself. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Very good. You have learned your tables, isn't it? Next one will be, after 4 comes 5. So you multiply number 5 by itself. So 5 5s are 25. The next one is already done for you. 6 6 are 36. Similarly, you will be doing the next two. That is, after 6 comes 7. So 7 7s are and 8 8s are, that you are going to write and find the answer. Now let's take the next one. 5, 10, 15. Then you have dash, then 30. So what is this? Yes, the numbers are increasing by 5. What does that mean? It is the multiple of 5. So 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are will be 20. 5 5s are 25. Next 30. Yes, we are getting it right. So next will be 35. 5 7s are 35. 5 8s are 40. Next is 5 9s are 45. 5 10s are 50. And 5 11s are 55. I hope you understood how to complete your pattern. Now here the next is given 2, 9, 16. Now what do you observe over here? What can it be? After 2 you have 9, then you have 16. Yes, you see, when you add 2 plus 7, you get 9. Similarly, 9 plus 7, count and see all of you. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Isn't it the next number? Yes, so 16 plus 7, what shall that be? All of you count and tell me. Yes, some are very quick. You are right. It is 23. Then 23 plus 7 will give you 30. Similarly, 30 plus 7 will give you the next number, that is 37. 37 plus 7 is 44. And so on, you are going to add 7 and get your remaining number.